Alright, so today we're going to go step by step how to make a graph in Microsoft Excel. So the first thing we do is we open up a blank workbook. Okay, so I've entered the data that I'm going to record here in columns A and B. If you can think of it ahead of time, it helps to have whatever you would like to be on the x-axis on the left and whatever you would like to be on the y-axis on the right. This is Microsoft Excel's default. There are ways to change it, but this makes it easier. So we highlight the two columns that we're interested in, and we go up to the Insert menu, and then we come over here to Charts. And there are very many kinds of charts over here. The one that we will use the most frequently in Honors Physics is the XY scatter. And we want it with no connecting line, so we choose this one. But we could also select one with a connecting curve, one with a curve and no points. There are very many, but the one that we will use the most frequently is this one. So we click on that, and it generates our graph right here by our data. So now all we have to do is format the graph that we've just made. So we can come over here to Add Chart Element, and the first thing that we do is we need some titles. So we come down here to Axes Titles, we go to Primary Horizontal, click on that, and then we can just type in that this is time measured in seconds, hit Enter, go back to Add Chart Element, go back to Titles, select Primary Vertical, and this is height measured in meters, hit Enter. Now we can come over here to Format. We can choose what we want to format over here. I don't want the title that they're currently giving me, so I click Chart Title, and instead of saying distance, I say that this is a height versus time graph. Height versus time, and that's it. You're basically done. If there are other things you want to do, you'll find them here under the two right-hand tabs labeled Chart Tools, and you can do all sorts of things with your new chart and format it in all sorts of ways to make it look cool. But that's about it. Thank you very much.